Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to design a beautiful Instagram feed using Canva. Whether you're an aspiring influencer, a small business owner, or you just want your personal feed to look extra polished, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create stunning, cohesive Instagram posts that really stand out. And don't worry, you don't need any graphic design experience to follow along. Canva makes it super intuitive and actually pretty fun. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open up Canva in your web browser. You can use the app too, but I find the desktop version gives you a little more room to work with. Now, up at the top or over on the main dashboard, you're going to see a Create a Design button. Go ahead and click that. In the search bar that pops up, type in Instagram feed. You'll notice a few options, but what you want is something like Instagram post or Instagram feed. Either will give you the perfectly sized canvas for Instagram's square format, which is usually 1080 by 1080 pixels. This is important because you want your graphics to look crisp and professional when you upload them. Once you've selected that, Canva will open up a blank design area for you. Now here, where you get to choose your own adventure. You can absolutely design everything from scratch, pick your own colors, shapes, add your own text. But if you want a little help getting started or you're looking for some inspiration, Canva has an amazing library of templates. And honestly, this is where Canva really shines. On the sidebar, you'll find tons of stylish, pre-made templates specifically made for Instagram. To access them, just click on the Templates tab and start browsing. You'll see everything from minimalist pastel designs to bold, colorful layouts, whatever fits your personal or brand aesthetic. For today's tutorial, let's make it simple and efficient by picking a template we like and then customizing it. Click on a template that catches your eye. It'll automatically load into your design. Now here's the fun part, personalization. You can change basically any element you see. Swap out images by dragging in your own photos, maybe your latest selfies, your products, or scenic shots from your last trip. You can click on the text boxes to edit your captions, taglines, or quotes. Change the font to match your vibe or try out different color schemes that fit the mood you want for your feed. And don't hesitate to experiment. You can always undo changes if you're not happy, and Canva saves your work as you go, so you're covered. If you want your Instagram feed to have a more cohesive look, consider using the same template or a matching set of templates for a series of posts. This creates that visually satisfying, grid-like aesthetic that's so popular on Instagram right now. Think of it like arranging photos in a physical photo album. You want everything to feel like it belongs together. Once you're happy with your design, and honestly, don't stress about making it perfect. Sometimes done is better than perfect. It's time to get your post ready for Instagram. Up in the corner, you'll see the Share or Download button. Click that, select your desired file type. I recommend PNG for crisp images, and hit download. In a few seconds, your new Instagram feed graphic will be ready to upload directly to your profile. And there you go, you've just designed a beautiful Instagram feed using Canva, all with just a few clicks and some creative tweaks. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want more Canva tips, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.